Are you ready to elevate your virtual meetings in 2024? Google Meet has rolled out exciting new features that can transform how you connect with colleagues and friends, from improved collaboration tools and security options. There is so much to explore. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of Google Meet, ensuring video calls are engaging and productive. Don't let outdated methods hold you back. Let's dive in and revolutionize your online communication. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Meet. So what is Google Meet? Google Meet is a video conferencing platform by Google designed for hosting virtual meetings and webinars. Its purpose is to enhance communication and collaboration, enabling users to connect seamlessly from anywhere. With features like screen sharing and real-time captions, it supports both personal and professional interactions. In a digital world, Google Meet is essential for fostering teamwork and maintaining relationships remotely. So, as you can see, this is the Google Meet. You have just to dive into google.com, google meet.meet.google So sorry, we have here meet.google.com, and we have also here other option. You can just click over here and you will find Meet in your Drive or your Google also. So here we have video calls and meetings for everyone. Connect, collaborate and celebrate from anywhere with Google Meet. So we have just to click over new method, or you can also enter a code or link that you receive from your friend or your colleagues or other things. Then we have a new method. You have just to create a method for later. You have just to share, and that's it. You can just Google create a method, and here is your joining info. Send this to people you want to meet with. You have to be sure to save it so you can use it later too. So you have just to copy it and share it with your friend, and you get started. Then also we have another option, which is start an instant meeting. About this one, this is how it looks. You will find other page which is like that. You have firstly here join in, and let's waiting for it. As you can see here, we have it. We have here Meet keeps you safe if abuse is reported on call. A short video or a clip may be sent to Google for verification. Then we have here your meetings ready. Add others or share this meeting link with others you want in the meeting. So we have here people who use this meeting link must get your permission before they can join. So you have just to share it with your friend, then you accept if your friends want to join. We have here also the option of audio, and we have the option of camera. You can just click over here and allow, then you get started. Red Meet is blocked from using it. You have just to click on page info icon in your browser address bar and then turn on camera and you get started. Then we have your other things, like here we have pin yourself to the screen for myself only or for everyone. Then also we have here, if you wanna, here the background filters, and we have filters here also, and appearance. Camera is turned off. Selecting an effect will turn it on. So this is it. And we have also here, if you want to remove this style or minimize. Then we have also here turn on a caption, send a reaction, present now, raise your hand, or more options, such as we have here change layout, full screen, open picture in picture, apply visual effects, turn on captions, report a problem, report abuse and troubleshooting, and help, and we have here settings. Then we have also here live call. Then we have also here meeting details, people here, and we have chat with everyone, activities, and host control. And let's come back to the home page. Here we have also another option, which is schedule in Google Calendar. Once you click over it, you will find here this page. You can add a title and you select the time that you want. Here we have the day, October 2024. You can select also the time, and we have here also the time here again, and we have here we select also the time that you orient the call. So I will just give an example. Here we have, I will select, for example, 5 October 2024. I will select the time, for example, here, and it will end on, for example, I will select 1 hour, and I will select also 5 October here. So we have time zone here, event time zone. You separate start and end time zone, and we have event start time zone like that, and you select if it's Morocco, and also here you select event end time zone, as you can see. Then you click over OK. Then we have also here, if you select the option of all day, or it does not repeat daily, or you select here weekly on Saturday, monthly on the first Saturday, or annually on October 5, every weekday, or custom. If you click over custom requirements, you will find to repeat every 1 day or every 2 days, or you select how much days here, and we have events never on or after. Then we have your event details. We have your time with Google Meet. We have here to add location, add notification, and we have here the color, choose your color. Here we have here, you select if you are busy or if you are free. Then we have here also, you select default visibility, public or private. Then you add description also here, and we have here guests. You can add the guests. Then you can also guest permission, modify events, or invite other guests. Then we have other options. Is here find a time. Here we have today. You select the time that you want, as you can see. Then you click over save. Once you do that, you will find this page, as you can see, and you can also create tasks, events, or appointment schedule. Create a shareable page that lets people book time with you. You have just to select all those things, and you select, for example, I want one, and you will select this. Then I will just select the time today. For example, I will select 4, and I will set this all day. Find the time also here. Then you add all these things. Then if you're done, you click over save. So let's come back. So Google Meet is an essential tool for seamless virtual communication, whether for work, education, or socializing. Its intuitive features enhance collaboration and engagement, making meetings more productive. By following the simple steps, you can easily navigate the platform and make the most of your online interactions. Embrace Google Meet to elevate your virtual experiences. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.